कैसे कम कर सकते हैं, उससे अभी उस पे भी काम चल रहा है सर।
Call is now being recorded.
हेलो।
Okay, yes, yes,
Deepak,
continue,
good.
continue.
Continue.
So how was your experience, Deepali?
Very good, sir.
Okay. You are in actually
Despite
production
of the COVID
production
situation.
area.
Yeah.
Sir, I am unable to hear you.
Sir is asking you are working in production or design area?
No, not production area. I am working on process safety, sir.
Okay, okay. And since long, how many days have gone when you joined the industry?
4 months.
Okay, good, good. And Ayush, when you joined? Ayush? I think Ayush is not able
I
to
think
hear.
I think he's contacting
Hello?
to his parents.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Ayush.
Yes,
Ayush,
Ayush.
when you joined the
Uh,
company?
I joined on 4th March, completed 2 months in the training itself.
Okay,
It
good,
is a
good,
training
good. So how is
period.
your overall experience? Good, na?
Overall experience is good. Complete office work, no site work. Completely happy with the work.
Very good, very good, very good.
How long will continue?
belonging to-
How long will training continue?
Sir, it's completely 1 year, and after that, one interview will be conducted, and based on that, your positions will be assigned to you in the planning department, because it's it's a kind of department where all the senior staffs works, and I'm very glad to share you this thing that I am from the day when I am working with my deputy general manager, and
Very good.
I feel myself more secure in this company
Very
as
good.
of now.
Yes.
Good, good.
Very good.
Congratulations. Yes, Ayush. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Wish you all the best for your future career. JSW is one of the reputed industry in the area of the chemical engineering and in whole India. So your future is bright, and I know, and the faculties also know how the caliber, and kindly explore it. Okay. Once again,
Yes, sir.
congratulations
Sure, sir.
to you
And
on
just
this occasion.
these things happen just because of you people only. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks, thanks.
These things cannot be happen just because you have done a lot of thing, asking the companies to come to the campus, and different recruiting companies, recruiting process, and rest of the other things was really fabulous from the KK Work side as well. And I'll prove it myself from in the industry to show just things that a KK Work students has a lot of caliber.
Very good, very good.
Very
Nice
nice.
hearing from
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Ayush.
Yes, thank you for appreciation.
Actually,
Thank you,
this
sir.
Ayush
Also,
and Deepali, these two
convey
are
the
very
message
senior
to
and
your
humble
parents.
They are
Convey
online
the
here.
message to your parents.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sure, sir.
Yes, Dr. Jain.
I now request Mane sir to please give e-bouquet to Ayush, as you might be seeing on your screen.
Yes, congratulations,
Thank you so much,
Ayush,
sir.
and wish you all the best for your bright career.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a big thing for me, sir. Thank you so much.
Anything would you like to tell on this occasion? How is your experience in detail?
My experience is really, I already said, my experience is really amazing. From the starting, I was so worried regarding that offer letters were not been getting, the things are getting very late, and a lot of things, there are a lot of confusion. I was selected for MBA college in one of the government colleges in Hyderabad, but I left that college. And there are a lot of questions in my own mind, and as well as in my heart as well. What the things next going to be happen, but the जो होता है वो ही अच्छे के लिए होता है. This is the one thing that I can say, and just loving things, the great things having happening, the posh apartments, buildings, and rest of the other things was hoping that कि COVID जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए, and we should get everything back on track. and just hoping everything should be fine and well. Mumbai बहुत जल्दी recover हो जाना चाहिए. This is the only one thing that I just want to share.
Okay, thanks for your valuable words. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
How is your family in this COVID situation, Ayush? All are safe.
My family is quite safe. All are safe, and भगवान की दया से अभी तक सब कुछ अच्छा है. And the city administration is quite good in the city of Burhanpur, where they completely sealed out the Maharashtra borders and Madhya Pradesh borders. So there are less chances of getting infected, and we are taking a lot of care, and we are caring the other people as well. So hoping that things should settle down very easily. Vaccination has been done by my families are vaccinated. Parents and mother both are done. Just following the protocols and safety, just to get the things back on track.
Good.
Right.
Thank you.
So due to this pandemic
I'm hoping
situation,
just few people.
we are unable to reach Burhanpur to felicitate you personally and at Dipali's place also. And that is why we think
Yes,
we
sir.
should.
But one thing I just
yes, Ayush. please.
Just one thing I just want to tell you, you are always most welcome. All the faculty members, just come once and visit once, because we have there are many times Joshi sir asked me regarding booking reservations, but never the things work well. So I request you all
Right.
people, just come visit once and just welcome once.
Thank you.
Yes,
Ayush. Thank you.
definitely.
We will try to come.
Once this situation settle down, we will surely get back to you and visit
Yes, sir,
Burhanpur.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you, Ayush. Ayush, do you
Do come
Gujarati?
deliver me
Piyush
for sharing to the.
Piyush Gujarati is your
Hello.
brother?
Yes, I.
Yes, sir,
Ayush.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Piyush, just share some
Thing
few
I
words.
request to Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Ayush, request you that whenever we call for sharing your juniors during the lockdown within 1 or 2 months, okay, then you can come and spare your valuable time for 5 to 10 minutes for sharing your
Sure, sir,
experiences for second year, third year, and final year students.
Sure, sir.
We will
Sure,
contact
sir.
you,
Anytime, sir.
Ayush, in future.
No problem, sir. No
Thank
problem. Anytime.
Yes, over to you,
Ayush, please
Professor
ask your
Piyush.
family members to share their thoughts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Piyush, kindly share some thoughts.
Yes, sure.
Hello. Hello. Just one
yes,
second,
yes.
sir.
Yes. Unmuted now. Yes. Piyush, please share your words. Share your feelings, expressions about Ayush and his whole path. Please.
हेलो
Yes. Good evening. Yes.
बोलिए सर आप कैसे लगा सर आपको सेलेक्ट होने के बाद कैसे लगा
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर बहुत अच्छा
चलो
फीलिंग हो
अच्छी
रहा
बात है अच्छी बात है अच्छा आप सेफ है सब अभी इस पीरियड में उधर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना सर
है नहीं
कोरोना का वगैरह
नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
चलो
सब बढ़िया
अच्छी बात है ओके टेक केयर ओके चलो
हाँ, आइए
Over
सर
to
बुरहानपुर
Piyush.
आइए आप
यस जरूर सर जरूर आयुष इज वन ऑफ द ओवरऑल हाँ
जी
अच्छा है वो
हाँ,
फ्यूचर भी अच्छा है उसका क्वालिटी डेवलप करके आगे जाएगा वो सर यस
जी सब आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद है सर हेलो
बिल्कुल
थैंक यू योर
Yes,
contribution
sir.
is also
Congratulations.
ओके
congratulations सर बधाई हो आपको भी
थैंक यू सर
ओके
And I now request Mane sir to please felicitate Dipali Kaloge. She is working as intern at DSK Pharma Limited, Nasik.
congratulations
Congratulations,
Dipali
Dipali.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you all the
Uh,
best for your career. Very much that you got a good company, GSK Pharmaceutical. Okay, learn
Yes, sir.
initially.
Yes,
It's very
definitely.
important is that the experience. So it would be better that learn the things. Then within 1 or 2 years, once you become the confident, then you will have the another more opportunities ahead. Being a girl, you joined in this particular reputed company. So I wish you all the best. Convey the message to your
Thank you, sir.
parents
Thank you so much.
also about the
Yes,
congratulations.
yes, sure.
Wish you all the best, Deepali, and thanks for giving the valuable time on this occasion. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank you so
Deepali.
much, sir. Congratulations to you too, Ayush.
Thank you.
Do you want to share something, Deepali and Ayush? Then the platform is open for you, Deepali or Ayush. Ayush already expressed his views. Deepali, do you want to
Yes, sir.
express
Yes.
your?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
My overall experience is very good. एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ अलग सीखने को मिलता है, कुछ ना कुछ टेक्निकल नॉलेज मिलता है जो हमारे कॉलेज, हाँ, जो थियोरेटिकल पार्ट रहता है वो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट रहता है, और जो अभी जो मैं सीख रही हूँ वो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है. इसलिए आई एम वेरी लकी दैट आई एम ज्वाइनिंग इन GSK बिकॉज टेक्निकल नॉलेज बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है अभी तो. So thank you to all of you.
Thank you for your kind words. You got the really good chance to join in GSK. We are trying since last 2 to 3 years and in continuous contact with HR, Mr. Sergey, right?
Yes, Mr. Anil Sarjay.
Anil Sergey, sir, right? But this time this works well for our students. So take the better opportunity out of this, okay? And all the best
Okay, sir. Okay.
for your future prospects. Any staff is speaking?
Yes, Deepali, do visit the Nashik or come online whenever it is necessary to guide the students as well as the girls of the department. As you are in the
Yes, sir,
also
sure.
visit physically.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. तुझ्या आई वडिलांना मेसेज सांगून दे कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन सर. येस
हो सर, हो नक्की.
येस, ओव्हर टू यू. येस.
हा, दीपाली, तुझे वडील बिझी असतात सध्या, त्यामुळे जमलं नाही त्यांना. तू बोलली होतीस मला.
हो सर, आज पण त्यांना ऑफिसला जावं लागलंय.
हा, तेच. चालेल, त्यांना आमच्याकडून अभिनंदन सांग. आयुष, आप भी घर पे मम्मी पापा को बताइए. आपके पापा तो ज्वाइन हुए थे. Thank you, Deepali and Ayush and Mr. Gujarati, Ayush father also, for joining this meeting and sparing your valuable time, and all the staff members. Thank you
once again. Congratulations and thank you for the coming here. Thank you. Thanks to all. Thank you, Ayush and Deepali and all staff member. Thank you. चालेल.
Okay, sir. Shall we conclude here?
Okay. चालेल, थांबूया मग सर आपण.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.